Hey, we're over here at the A1 booth. We got John Videen, Dent Reaper. What do you got? What do you want to show us?
Bro, we got
What is going on?
we got
Whenever I have this guy on video, I do something that doesn't.
The trend continues.
Hey, you don't need to be nervous about it. It's gonna be okay.
That's all going in the video, all of it. Let's do it again. All right. What do you got there, John?
We got a ton of new stuff. Obviously, Ants came out with this new compact hub handle, and I was super excited about that. Like, me and Craig have talked about this for a couple of years. They've been working on it.
I did not know that.
So I was ready, excited. I had ideas all in my head. So we miniaturized the Kratos. We miniaturized the Reaper rods. And these are perfect for the compact hub. The longest one will fit perfectly in your Milwaukee pack-out drawer. This is going to be just a great system for having small tools ready to rock. And we also have an interchangeable tip 3/8.
Oh, wow.
For upper body lines.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
And it's good also for that compact hub. And then basically a miniaturized super scythe.
Right.
So,
well, I was just talking to a guy earlier over there, and he's like, I was looking for a fixed handle, but all these tools are pretty much going this route. I mean, this handle is that good.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, I'm super excited to try it. And, I just got to put my hands on these the first time, like Thursday when we were setting up. So
Okay.
I'm stoked. Then we also did the Hales Angels for the compact hub. So if guys are doing
awesome.
a Hale, they want to save space, you got the fixed handles, or you can use them with the hub. So either way,
You don't really
it's a winner.
you don't really realize how much space savings that is with those handles off of it. Until you grab those right quick, just for an example. Like, these are awesome tools, but I mean,
That's one, and this is 6.
And this takes up more room.
Yeah.
right.
Yep. No, so the hub system for organization, especially for mobile guys, super useful. I'm gonna make sure I put this in the right spot there.
Yeah.
We got to show you the football tip.
Let's go to the football tip.
Yeah, I know we got some good stuff over this way.
Good.
So, if you've ever used a 3D, the key here is this leading edge. So it's gonna rock down a crease. You're gonna rock down a crease with that leading edge right here. This is your push point. And this thing is like a crease eraser. Like, the first time I used it, I put it on the door, walked down a crease, I laughed. I was like, this is sick. It's not even
Good
fair.
reaction.
And that was just really me and Cliff having a couple beers and being like, what if we twisted it the other way? So, just a crazy idea, but
Ends up being a cheat code.
Drinking is good for your health.
it's a creativity.
Say that again, Greg.
So you're saying drinking is good for your health?
He said it's a
Obviously.
creativity.
This is gonna be a unique video here.
The football tip
Our football tip.
is similar in concept to that. It's just had to make it more shaped like a football, but this leading edge, same thing. You're going to be able to walk down a crease with that. And if I'm being honest, like I said, this is the first time I got to put my hands on any of these tools. It's just the way MTE goes. Everything is rushed. It's like an episode of what's his name? Chip Moose, where they gotta get
the car done
just in time for SEMA.
Yeah, just in time. Yeah. Well,
But yeah, so I'm excited about this. This tip is gonna be freaking sick.
That's some cool stuff. And you know, I as much walking around as we've done, I mean, I haven't even seen that kind of stuff yet. So that's awesome that that's even been brought up.
Love it.
perfect.
That's cool.
Yeah, I think we should talk about the stand.
And we got, the stand is awesome.
Let's go to the stand.
Go talk about the stand.
Don't forget your beer. Why would you even mention that? All right, we're in the Dent Reaper booth with the Reaper Revolver.
Here we go.
right.
7. I don't know if you had a chance to see this. Watch yourself. We got the Reaper Revolver. Spins 360. The main purpose here is for cross-check heaven is what I like to call it. I mean, just being able to get in and get different angles on that net as you're working.
Yep.
It makes it more comfortable. It makes it so much faster to be able to cross-check and get everything done as you need. And then, you know, if you've ever done hail, you'll get to one last spot. You need to get a different, maybe a little whale tail, whatever.
Yep.
And you gotta. Then your whale tail ends up on the other side of the table, and I mean, it just every hail guy has done that 100 times.
Yeah, for sure.
So we put on the rotating tool tray. That way you have access to your whale tails or your beer. And
the name of the game really is to create the least amount of movements and tool changes as possible while being the most efficient. Right.
Yeah, absolutely.
No, I'm excited about this stand. Mine's being delivered this week, so I'm excited to share that with the world and what this stand is.
I'm assuming if you need to crank down on some stuff too, you've got these bar here.
There's extra support here. So if you got a big smash or a stretch dent that's in an open area, and you need a little extra stability, you can drop those bad boys down, and it's a beauty. I can say working with every version up to this point, I've never thought I needed extra stability.
Yeah.
But that's just one thing with Kiko and the engineering team. They think, rethink, and overthink, and really make sure that they have all their bases covered and ducks in a row. So it's a nice add-on feature.
Is there a way that this sparked an interest for having a setup like this style?
Yeah, I mean, just over the years, you get, as a hill guy, you get stuck in like the old dirty corner.
Right.
Or they don't have a nice clean bay for you to sit in. And standard hood stand, obviously you got your wheels on the bottom. You know, if you got a cross-check or move, it's usually uneven or just...
try to run away from you.
Less than ideal. Or, you know, I don't know anybody that would have a cord anymore, but
right.
But cords, hoses, whatever, just tough to maneuver the hood stand around in some of those situations. So being able to spin it independently without having to mess with your wheels, and I don't remember the first moment I thought of it because it's been so long now, but just over the years, it was just like, this thing needs to, I don't know why my hood won't move.
Yeah.
I need to make my hood move. And
yeah, just putting in the tool time over the years, you kind of set up some stuff and had a visual like, what would I need in these situations? And we got this.
And I'm one of those guys where when I'm set up, I want to be organized, and I'm looking to be as efficient as possible.
Right.
So when something hangs me up, that's usually when a new tool is born.
Being in tight spaces too, having a table under here that you can move again, like you said earlier, is a bonus. I mean, we got stability wherever you need it, what you need. It's good tall height for different levels.
Adjustable height too. I mean, we got another couple inches to go up if we need to, and more height can be had out of these stanchions as well. So I mean, it should be a great stand for anybody, no matter how tall or untall you might be. Even Jack Bucknell could use it.
Oh.
Speaking of which, you could also probably fit in the bag that it goes, maybe not, but this is the bag that, so once this folds down, it will go in this this bag.
This comes with it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I haven't even got mine opened up yet.
Right, me either. So you'll have this bag, and then the table we got an extra little sleeve for as well. But yeah, it'll fold up, go in the bag, and just bring us in the body shop. You'll have her set up in under 5 minutes for darn sure. It goes together
really good,
super quick, super easy. So
breaks down and sets up really nice. That's a cool bag for that.
Very cool, very cool.
Again, Kiko knocks it out of the park.
Right.
We're not surprised at all.
Not surprised at all, yeah.
And especially with Dent Reaper. Appreciate it.
Well, shucks.
Thank you,
Well,
sir.
Thanks,
we
man.
appreciate your time, Mr. John.
I appreciate y'all.
Have a great MTE.
Hey, keep smashing her.
Hell
Keep
yeah.
mastering her. Keep mastering.
Right.
Master Smashers.
Awesome.
See you guys.